ever ask yourself if you're living up to your full potential? It's never too late to start searching for what sets your soul on fire. Go after it fearlessly. Put your heart and soul into it. Your happiness is guaranteed. Look up at the sky, gazing at the stars. Drown deep in solitude, thinking back. Growing up, you had dreams. I've tried to. Life goes on, you move on. Your dreams, they take a backseat. Get caught up with a 9 to 5. Get up, work, go to bed, repeat. But deep down, you frown. You feel there's something missing. Holding on to the day job, even though it's not promising. Cause you don't wanna risk it all, so you stay where you are. Cause you don't wanna risk it all, so you stay where you are. Risking your life seems so hard. You're scared to play your cards. You may not play it right, then you end up losing it all. Risking your life seems so hard. You're scared to play your cards. You may not play it right, then you end up losing it all. So you rather stay on the safe side, but listen to my advice. No matter how hard life may seem, don't stop chasing dreams. No matter how hard life may seem, don't stop chasing dreams. No matter how hard life may seem, don't stop chasing dreams. No matter how hard life may seem, don't stop chasing dreams. No matter how hard life may seem, don't stop chasing dreams. For a long time I was lost, looking for an easy way out. Didn't have the guts to risk it all, cause I had too much doubt. All alone by myself, I felt I didn't fit in this world. All on me with no help, no one seemed to understand the word. But I knew I was born to inspire all kinds. My job is to transform bodies, souls and minds. But I knew I was born to inspire all kinds. My job is to transform bodies, souls and minds. So I took a risk to pursue my dreams, regardless how hard it seems. I go against all odds, don't care how many times I fall. Get up and prepare to fly. Ain't easy, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm not giving it up. I promise I make it to the top. No, I'm not giving it up. I promise I make it to the top. I promise I make it to the top. I promise I make it to the top. No matter how hard life may seem, don't stop chasing dreams. No matter how hard life may seem, don't stop chasing dreams. No matter how hard life may seem, don't stop chasing dreams. No matter how hard life may seem, don't stop chasing dreams. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. When you want something bad enough, the universe conspires in helping you to achieve it. So go after your dreams and leave no stone unturned. No matter how hard life may seem, don't stop chasing dreams. No matter how hard life may seem, don't stop chasing dreams. No matter how hard life may seem, don't stop chasing dreams. No matter how hard life may seem, don't stop chasing dreams. No matter how hard life may seem, don't stop chasing dreams.